ngitshele ukuthi buyani ngala ngiyabadonsa sihambise exercise kumnandi ngalo ngibathola njani sometimes nabe the transport ngiyakuthi buyani ngene kimi yobona njalo nje ngibathola. Sanibonani babukele emakhaya namuhla njengoba nibona ukuthi kuvulile la khwele ngimlandzela yena. I think nginenzela surprise no ngimlandzela sesithuli from a new scope makhelwane wami atasitshela kabanti nge-low fat walkers asambeni somlando. Ngishito babukele emakhaya ukuthi namhla ngonilandzela sesithuli atositshela ngelihambo lakhe lakwalofolocus ukuthi yena ujoyine lini kwentekalani and all that. Sawubona sesithuli ngiyaphila njani mntana wami nami ngivukile. So sesithuli awubingelele babukele emakhaya kwetshela sesithuli ngibani udume ngani kwentekani. Ngiyanibingelela babukele emakhaya sesithuli sesithuli Milazi sesithuli Jwana Milazi lo ngidumene kuwokha kuLofolocus. Lokunye imsebenzi nje ngisebenza i-community la ngihlala khona ngibuye eNyuskomu bathi kuse Ward 36 ilo ngidume ngako ngisebenzela umphakathi. Ngiyabonga sesithuli sesithuli sebenzela umphakathi manje nginga umphakathi uyani sesithuli akana problem utonisita. So sesithuli awusitshele kabantu ukuthi wena iLofolocus ujayelini kuyijoyina uyive ngabani njani. So ngiyabonga sesitef iboye kakhulu shem ene bengilindzele lisuku leli bengilindzele kakhulu. I'm so happy today ngikhashane ngijoyine iLofolocus 2024 was February. Kahle mina ngitholakale ngingumuntu ngilipatient ngagula ngihamba ngolala emedicine then doctor wangidiagnose ukuthi akukho lokuningi la ngangi-assista ngakho kumele ngiyo exercise. Luckily ngahlangana nama-Mr. Matola e-White River then saxoxa naye bese ngathi mina ngifuna la nga-exercise yakho ngathi sesibuyani la wangifaka kumkhathi phakathi inside phakathi njalo angikuke emuva no more turning back uyile la forever and ever. Sesithula usitshele ukuthi yini oyithenza ngeLofolocus isiwajeka 2024 yini leqhaza nje la kuLofolocus uzuhlale uthi awuyinzawo. Sesithe ngiyabonga kakhulu uyabona i-friendship lela ekhaya imnanzi uyathi uthola mngani manje nge 1.5 hour so unemngani and into lenkulu ngithatha le communication ine-communication le-good nemphathi wethu le-friendship lanayo akana ngokuthi lo mdzala lona mncane siyalingana kuye sonke and into lekhona ukuthi yasathi akasimlahlekeli nga-1 uyasada simlahlekeli indoko lokuthatha le communication umnanzi kaLofolocus nalokuthi njena si-friendly sonke ukuthi siye mphathi wethu ukuthi lapha kusekhaya sithi nje sikhululekile le communication imnanzi nalokuthi nje sihlangane just that 1.5 hour 1 and 40 minutes kumnanzi akuna hatred lapha ekhaya sihlala sijabulile. Chaza lokuthi stress siyehla uma ngilapha vele lamalanga uma ngingakayanga ngiva ngigula njenganamuhla namhla ngibone ukuthi itori ingqondo yami seyikhumbule ekhaya ukuthi what tatobona nale t-shirt asekhaya angishila uhamba nayo everywhere hamba nayo ngisho noma nasemotweni speaker sami sihlala sinamathele lapha kanjani sho sesithuli njengoba ula kuLofolocus ne kunebantu la ngaphansi uyakubona uyavuka ekuseni uyahamba manje uyakusaba angathi maybe ufuna ukuthi akujoyina ujoyina njani chazela abantu ukuthi ujoyina njani kontekani all this. First mina I'm lucky njengoba ngisho ukuthi la ngibuya khona akazi cancela before labantu angihlala khona ngimakwami
then nginokuthi uma ngidrive ngibabona bawalka la emgwaqweni ngiyema vele ngibatshele ngalelo ufelo ngibatshele ukuthi buyani ngala ngiyabadonsa sambiso exercise kumnandi ngalolu ngibathola njani sometimes nabe the transport ngiyakuthi buyani ngene kimi niyobona njalo nje ngibathola nje bathukela njani.
Okay, so Sesithuli ngicela ungichazele kabanzi la lapha kulo filo phasi uvamise ukubona 2 water point yebantwana nebantu abadala so lapha kulabantwana asumtshele ukuthi why kube ne water point yebantwana ngifuna ukunderstand ukuze abantu I mean I know but abantu labanga understand ba understand ukuthi why abafuna letha abantwana ngoba lo muntu osifuna kuya mara nginemntwana so asubachazele kabanzi ukuthi bende njani.
Lapha ku water point yabantwana according to me kokuqala angisho ukuthi energy yethu nebantwana ayifani kokuqala umntwana ushesha athini ene mina ngimntana ngifuna kuwokha sometimes umntwana uthola base bahamba kancane so that's why babonakala bane water point yabo ene laba bethu nami ngiyamthatha ngani lo muntu engihamba naye vele uba happy ngalamabhuku bafune library bantwana
wow
yes library bantwana ukuthi abantwana bafike bahlala nalamafruit bayawathanda shem bathi nje naba nawumvusa abe nelululu ukuthi nawe ufike water point abantwana ngoba bebafana ba happy nangebhola ukuthi bafike badlala ibhola bakhathele ngiyacabanga ukuthi na principal wabo ubaphethe kahle
wephethe poza
ubaphethe kahle labantwana labantwana bajabulela nokuthi principal wabo baphethe kahle.
Okay, so iquestion anokugcina Shem kulala abantu abagcwala ikibhayiti 4 lapha ethini yabo so we understand ukuthi dane ikibhayiti bazakho nayi understanding
because vele ngangise ngiyakwathi ama department I know ukuthi ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi ngiyakuthanda kulike lapha
Facebook ama social media
ngiyakuthanda kakhulu ngiyakuthanda kulike ngithanda uma ngabe sitibona sihamba ngithathe nami ngiphinde futhi ngifake ku Facebook ene ngalaba tikipha basishutha share basinakekela bathanda ikhamera bayasendela nabasishuthile bese basiposta basifunze nokuthi slide basiposta shem ngithanda
njalo so Sesithuli Shem sesivalisa manje ungabatshela uthini babukele emakhaya njengoba sesitobavalelisa nyalo ke batshele ngelo felo khasi anything lofuna kubatshela yona.
Ngiyabonga sis ngibonga kakhulu le nto batshela kona ukuthi according to our body it's an exercise because mina ngi-experience lelo ngabe ngashona la siya ngadabhuza cishe kile bethi mina bangidabhuza ukuqala i-arthritis emgogodla bangidabhuza i-TB into bethi ngekho so then babuye bathola ukuthi what I have so then emva kwaloko into lengiyithandile ukuthi doctor akazange angilike lokunye because wangitshela ukuthi uma ungaya ku arthritis bakunika le injection or what kuba nema kidney failures wena lokutshela kona umncane go and exercise so mina into lento batshela kona emakhaya ukuthi kuze kubalekele letifo letikhona boma stress boma heart attack boma letifo letikhona nje kuboshukela boma high blood boma arthritis lamathambo ethu mama cell ethu aziwa exercise nyakathi and mina first day bengilala ngamangala first day ngicala kujona ngaqala emara ngamangala ukuthi mina what's happening bantwana bayavuka so kulelo lento batshela emakhaya ukuthi vukani abayekele ungubo kuya exercise kunembili vukani nibuyeni ngingakhohlwa ukuthi like Facebook TikTok exactly bonke every like esikhona kuma social media guys yini so ngiyabonga kakhulu Sesithuli kuba nawe ngiyakuthanda ube lelanga leli kakhulu Sesithuli nama love you and nenhlanhla lento siyanzawo nyenye
yebo maki
Thank you.
Hashtag Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawful Walkers Podcast, and this is Stephanie Tetla signing out. Now, we'll be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Tegwane South, Kona Lapayamna, a grounding. Ungashiyeke, the theme is a black and white, and of course, it is a gratitude, memories, moments walk. Ungashiyeke, let me tell you something. It is about to go down this coming Saturday. Wednesday, bring that camp chair, bring that cooler box, because kuzobe kumnandi kakhulu. Of course, the aerobics are starting at 4:06. Then the walk officially starts after that. Mina nani asi bonani khona. Bye.